What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Here over LCX, which is down 7.1% at 16 cents, $157 million market cap, extremely small market cap, guys. I think this is going to perform exceptionally well during the bull run. Now, the circulating supply, 940 million out of 950. Almost all the coins are in circulation, which is fantastic. It means they can't dilute the market on you by putting more coins in circulation. So on top of that, we're down 39.5% for the entire year. Not really too concerned about that. All-time high was 3 years ago at 56 cents. I think this coin's easily to go to $1 plus this bull run this year. Actually, all-time low was 5 years ago. So LCX is currently available on a ton of exchanges. You got two different pages right here, Coinbase being the leading volume. You also have its own exchange, the LCX exchange, followed by Uniswap, Kraken, so on and so forth. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on LCX. All right, guys, as you can see, we are launching a coin on Solana soon. We did launch the NFT for that today. You can find the link for that in the description. We're dropping 50% of the supply to the NFT holders. It's very cheap to accumulate the NFT right now. It's only 0.05 SOL. You also get 2 times multiplier when staking with the NFTs. So I'm expecting those to go fast. So if you're interested in getting in at the ground floor, make sure you check out those NFTs on the link below. But let's actually get into LCX now. We're looking at the day chart. We're not looking bad, guys. I know it sucks that we got rejected off the 786, but if you look at the MACD on the day, we're working towards that bullish crossover. We're working towards that blue over orange. RSI, similar situation. We have a nice bottom that came in here. I want to see it break above that 46 and put in a higher high. One thing I want to see here real quick for you guys. Yeah, we did. You can see we actually broke out of our downtrend as well. So we are at the start of a possible reversal taking place here. And the big indicator of that, very, very deep buy signal on the WTX and the stock RSI crossing from bearish to bullish. Look at, we bottomed out here every single time, guys, on the stock RSI. If I draw that horizontal line, you can see we've bottomed out, nice V-shaped recovery, and we've seen some very, very good movement to the upside from that point on. So in my personal opinion, the main area to focus on here in the short term for LCX is the 618 level, which is at 20 cents. We get over 20 cents, that's to confirm the next leg up for LCX. And I think it's coming sooner than you guys think. A lot of people the sentiment's down right now in the market and everything like that. A lot of coins are on the cusp of being done with their retracements and gearing up for the next leg up, which I think LCX is in the same boat. Once we get over that 20 cents, the next resistance area is 35, which is a 786. And then you break above that, it's to infinity and beyond, all the way up to $1.50. Like I mentioned, I think we're easily going to overtake the all-time high on this bull run, actually this year. But other than that, similar situation, we got to break above 20 cents there at the 618, 20 cents there at the 618, all the way from the high to the low, 22 cents there. So 20 cents is the area that I think we're going to be heading to right now. And then we're going to battle it out there at the 20 cents range. If you look at the short-term time frame, short-term time frames reset too. Even though we had a 7% retracement today, if you just look at this, when in doubt, zoom out. We've just been consolidating sideways. This is just sideways action going all the way back to the beginning of February. The great part is the short term. Look at the stock RSI. It's all the way down here at a normal bottom level. So that's showing that this 7% retracement is nearing an end. We're reset here on the WTX with a, get this out of the way, with a we're reset there below zero. We're probably going to put in a higher low there, and then you have the RSI. The RSI is tailing back down, but I really wouldn't be too concerned about that. I don't think we're going to be going back down to 39. I think we're going to be seeing that reversal from that point on. So in the meantime, I think right now might be an optimal time to accumulate this, because I do think 20 cents is going to be smashed. I mean, if you look at the prior resistance of the 786 here, about 20 to 22 cents, that was a very good support for LCX. So that is our area to really, really focus on. I mean, it goes all the way back to February 2024. It was a multi-year support level. And unfortunately, we did break below it. But I think that's where we're heading to next, 20 to 22 cents. I'm actually going to draw a red box there, because that's the area that we need to break through. That way, when we come back to this chart, we kind of have a box already drawn from 22 down to 20. So yeah, this is our area that we have to break. Now let's make it red. We got to make it red for bearishness. There we go. So that's our area that we have to break through. We break through that, then we're off to the races, guys, and it's to infinity and beyond. And like I mentioned, a lot of the indicators are reset right now. A lot of coins have been seeing a large retracement starting from December of 2024. So pretty much the whole year of 2025 so far, a lot of coins have been seeing this slow bleed out to the downside, but a lot of those coins are absolutely reset. The market's reset. A lot of sentiment in the market is down right now, which is usually the optimal time to buy, you know, buy fear, sell greed. So I'm going to be looking for that reversal up to around 20 to 22 cents. And then once LCX breaks above that, man, this thing's going to be off to the races. The next resistance being 71. And then you have that $1.50 area plus at the 1618. But in the meantime, short-term time frame looks good. Day chart looks really good. All the indicators like we talked about are reset. The stock RSI is reset. We got a very, very deep buy signal on the WTX. The RSI put in a higher low, and the MACD is about ready to flip bullish. So, I mean, you got 4 different indicators saying, hey, let's gear up for that 20 to 22 cents test at this general area. So that is going to be the battleground. That's where we're going to be heading to probably this week. And those are the price ranges that you really should focus on this week, overtaking 20 to 22 cents. You get over 22 cents, that's when we can start hollering to the moon, guys. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.